me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh.
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, and today we have a special guest. This is my daughter, Raeghan, and this is Raeghan's Ratchet Kitchen.
Let's go.
But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button is gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. All right, y'all, Raeghan's here. She said, hey, I wanna record a video. I said, sure, let's go. So, Raeghan is going to be making French toast.
So we have some brown sugar over here. Y'all can't see, but you know, we got some brown sugar. We got some almond milk, some powdered sugar, some butter.
What do we got?
Some butter, some honey for father earner, syrup, some brioche bread, some measuring utensils, some sugar, some cinnamon, some vanilla extract, some eggs, and you know, what's this called?
A measuring cup?
Yeah, a measuring cup, a whisk, you know, a little bowl, and a sifter for our powdered sugar.
Oh, she called it a sifter, not a strainer.
Yeah, I had to be more professional. You know?
Yeah, avocado.
We also got some bacon cooking in the oven that Kia didn't mention. So I'm gonna make the batter first. First, we're going to go in with our 2 eggs. Are these large eggs?
Yeah.
2 large eggs.
Oh my god, this is already going bad.
We're gonna take our whisk. You know, to look something like, I don't know if y'all can really see it, but yeah, something like that.
It should be whisked. Whisked. With. What is that?
Okay, so take a little bit of our almond milk. It's only a little bit in here.
That's probably enough.
Just empty that out.
We don't measure over here.
Yeah, we just let the ancestors tell us to stop. I might need just a little bit more. It's not the color I'm looking for. My ancestors have told me the color. This is not it.
This is me assisting.
Okay.
I'm trying to make a mess.
Kia, my assistant, is not a very good one, if you ask me. Alright, this is more of the color I'm looking for. It should be something like this, a little bit of light yellow.
Yes, pale yellow. Okay. What do we need next?
We're gonna take some of our vanilla extract. I don't know why Kia brought the measuring stuff because we don't measure over here, but
I mean, to scoop stuff out. It's a scooper. Now I know how EJ feels when we do cooking with the McDuffies. He just stands here and does nothing.
it's pretty lonely over there. Alright, we're gonna take some cinnamon. Got about 3 or 4 sprinkles. That's not exact measures, but it's gonna be pellet first, but like once you put the cinnamon and the vanilla in here, it's gonna get a little darker. So you know, we got a little bit of that going on. You know, I might add 1 more sprinkle of cinnamon.
I'm gonna go ahead and warm up the pan.
Yes, please.
With
do
butter.
That. Yeah, it's gonna look a little bit like that. A little bit like that. Make sure you don't put too much cinnamon, because like people be putting too much cinnamon and then it's like doing the cinnamon challenge. So don't do that. Okay. Next, we're going to take our sliced brioche. I'm not going to do it yet because it does get very soggy quick, and you know, my assistant over here is not done heating up the pan yet.
Look, it's ready. I can get 2 slices in here right now.
Okay. So this is brioche, so it's really thick and it can hold the liquid.
Oh, I didn't know what you're talking about.
And my lovely little sister Harper is getting her hand in the bread bag. Alright, we're gonna take another slice, drag our bowl over. We're gonna put another piece right there.
I think you have a good amount of mixture, Raeghan. It's like not too soggy, not too cinnamony.
I know what
That
I'm
looks
doing.
good.
It may be ratchet, but I know what I'm doing.
It's on like medium heat.
Alright, so we're gonna chill for right now because our French toast pieces are not done yet. But you know, I have my lovely assistant back there, so she'll make sure they don't burn.
All right, Raeghan, she just flipped her first piece. Ooh. Roll that beautiful bean footage.
I flip it over once, but then I keep flipping it over again to make sure equal cooking.
Okay, equal cooking. That's a nice little toast. Ooh. Okay, let's get that flip. Ow! We love to see it. You can know what she's doing. It's not so ratchet after all. Do you need a plate, chef?
Nah, still flipping. Key to making French toast is not having the batter too liquidy and too cinnamony. Cinnamony. Gosh, I can't talk. And not too burnt also. Who likes burnt French toast?
Nobody.
Hey, that's why the...
So Raeghan forgot to put the sugar
Let me
in.
do that now so I do.
It's on the phone next to you.
Oh yeah, you're fine, you're fine.
Oh my god.
It's Raeghan's Ratchet kitchen, so.
Oh my god. Thanks for reminding me.
Wow.
The ancestors told me to stop right there.
Y'all, I was sitting here trying to clean up, and Raeghan forgot to put the sugar in the batter.
We got some sugar now. The batter's
So
still...
half of them won't have sugar. Let me go check on these.
They're a little burnt, but you know.
No, that's golden brown.
Yeah.
Y'all, I wish you could smell this.
Smells pretty good. My bad. That was a hard.
Y'all see my skills? So we have 3 pieces that will have no sugar, sugar free.
Hey, that's for Father Ernest. You know he doesn't like a lot of sweets.
No, that's for you, huh?
No, that's for you. Let me show y'all. You gotta do a little like that with the wrist.
Oh,
Just gotta let the egg drip, cause you don't want egg toast. It's French toast, okay? Then you just make sure. My assistant doesn't have the heat down very well, but it's okay.
It is down. It's still gonna cook, but still we gotta turn it up just a little bit. We're gonna do medium low.
All right, I'm gonna get another piece ready.
And that butter is nice and brown, so get you a nice golden brown crust.
We're gonna give.
I know what I'm doing.
We're gonna give Harper the little broken piece, cause she don't eat much anymore.
Do my baby like that. That's how she treat her little sister. Y'all see that? We love cleanliness in the kitchen while we cook. Oh, that is perfect. Yes. You know, the pan had time to warm up and the butter had time to brown, so it's gonna get that nice color on the outside. Oh,
The little broken piece. Oh my god.
Lord.
And it's called Raeghan's Ratchet Kitchen.
Raeghan's Ratchet Kitchen.
Ooh, Harper got a good color though. You know, I'm gonna do like a little cinnamon butter on top of these because, you know, some of them didn't get enough cinnamon love. Are you recording?
Raeghan thinks she runs stuff now.
Okay, so we're gonna take, this is called spatula, I think. I don't know the cooking utensils.
It is a spatula.
Okay, so we're gonna chop I like that much butter off. The butter's not cutting clear. You know, just move it around and stuff. We're gonna take it off the eye because, you know, the pan already has some heat on it.
The eye's not even on, bruh. Wow. Wow.
Can you let me do my cooking? I know the eye isn't on, but you just need to like.
Y'all see my face?
We might need to put like, what's it called? Sprinkles? Pops? What's it called when you do this?
A sprinkle?
No, but like you don't sprinkle, you just
Pop? A dash?
no, you just go like. I guess you technically do. I don't know. This is why it's called Raeghan's Ratchet Kitchen because I don't know the proper words.
A pop of sugar. A pop of cinnamon. Oh my god.
Alright, so I'm just gonna whisk it around here, you know. Around town. Hey, it doesn't look like nothing right now, but I'm telling you, it's gonna make a little bit of a difference.
Pat me on my head again.
Oh, that's my thing. That's been my thing this week, tapping Key on the head. It's a pretty fun activity. We got a nice cinnamon butter sauce. So. Alright, so for our toppings, we're going to have whipped topping, which is in the freezer, or refrigerator. But, you know, we can take it out now. Some powdered sugar. I already went over these, but we're just going to go over them again. Some honey. We have some cool whipped topping.
Extra cream.
And then we have some, oh my god, I forgot what that was. Syrup.
Okay, freezing presentation. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Confectioner's powdered sugar.
All right.
Great value. Ooh. No, what about the sauce?
Oh yeah, a sauce.
We have Raeghan's Ratchet Kitchen, $1 million bacon, and French toast.
How's it called $1 million bacon?
Because it has already something on it.
Let's dig in. Raeghan gave me the most toasted piece. And that's why she put so much.
It's not cutting.
I'm joking. That's pretty good. Who knew Raeghan could cook?
Oh, it's just the bacon. So fattening.
It probably fell on the floor. That's why it's $1 million.
Harper, what do you think?
Look.
Did Raeghan do a good job? Would you eat her food again?
Would you use it again?
Would you eat Raeghan's food again? Alright, y'all. That's it for Raeghan's Ratchet Kitchen on this segment of Cooking with the McDuffies. But thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget.